Okay, this is my new ratcheting belt. Now, maybe you're not familiar with that, but I'll just show you. Basically, there's some little teeth in here, and you stick the belt in there and squeeze this down, and it holds it. It's not going anywhere. In fact, you probably need a screwdriver to get it off. But you don't ever take this off. This is the end of your belt. But if you ever need to make an adjustment, this is where you do it. Okay? Then all you do is you slide this through here, through there, and it locks. But now you gotta get it up into here. Okay? There is a few inches here, so as you can see, that's where it starts. So you got to get this part up to where that hook is, and then it locks into place, and it's not going nowhere. But all you got to do to open it, pull up on this. There you go. It's really neat, and this is high quality, man. This is maybe the nicest belt that I've got. So, all things considered, 5 stars and then some, because this looks like it cost a whole lot more than I paid for it. So, it's good, it's adjustable, tight, doesn't come loose, really well engineered, good materials, top-notch materials, 5 stars. Go get you one.